petrol versus hybrid vehicles. As we know, we check these four things before purchasing a car: cost, fuel efficiency, good looking, and performance. Firstly, we will talk about the cost. In petrol vehicles generally have a lower initial purchase cost compared to hybrid vehicles. In hybrid vehicles tend to have a higher cost due to their advantageous technology and battery system. However, they may offer long-term cost saving through improved fuel efficiency. And now we will talk about how they impact our environment. In petrol vehicles, petrol engine produce highly level of carbon dioxide emission compared to hybrid vehicles. Their contribution to greenhouse gases emission and climate change. In hybrid vehicles combine an initial combustion engine with an electrical motor, resulting to reduce CO2 emission and better fuel efficiency. They are generally considered more environmentally friendly. Now we'll talk about the performance and the advantages. In petrol vehicles are typically more powerful and provide a wide range of model and options. They offer a traditional driving experience and are rarely available. Now we'll talk about the hybrid vehicles. Hybrid vehicles offer improved fuel efficiency by utilizing both combustion engines and electrical motors. They provide a quieter driving experience, essentially in electrical motors, and many often reduction barking for energy recapture. Now we'll talk about the limitations. In petrol vehicles are initially depend on fossil fuel, which are finite resources. They have higher running costs due to fuel combustion and contribution to air pollution. In hybrid vehicle may have a limit or electrical range and require charging infrastructure to optimize efficiency. They have more complex system, which could lead to increased maintenance cost. Now in the conclusion, better for the environment. Hybrid vehicles are kind to the environment, emitting few harmful gases and helping to reduce pollution and climate changes. And hybrid vehicles saving money. Hybrid vehicles save money in the long run because they use less fuel, resulting in lower fuel experience over time. They may also qualify for tax incentive or rebates that can further reduce the overall cost. Enjoyable driving experience. Hybrid offer a smooth and quiet ride with a quick acceleration and improved efficiency thanks for further reduction barking that help conserve energy and making driving more enjoyable. And now, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on my video. I
my own world of make-believe.